Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on Bing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the of course search bar. Here in the bottom side, we have some of the latest news. In the top right corner, you can go and change your language, see your profile, and you'll go and check out all of these settings on the Bing application. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on Bing. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So as I told you, open bing.com on your browser and locate the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner of the page, which is this. After that, click on settings from the drop down menu. So you'll have the settings, which is the, as you can see, second option. Click there. Now click on language and select your preferred language from the list. So here you have the languages. You just need to click on it. And here you can go and select your preferred language, then select it, and then click save to apply the changes. So guys, that will be everything for this video. And I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.